In this lecture, we will learn how to navigate in Catia. Press and hold mouse scroll button. When you will see this sign, then drag the mouse to pan the sketch. We can also pan the sketch by selecting the pan tool from here. Now left click and drag the mouse to pan the sketch. Now we will see how to zoom in and out sketch in Catia. First press Ctrl key, then press and hold the mouse scroll button and drag the mouse downward to zoom out and drag mouse upward to zoom in. We can also zoom in from here, zoom out from here. To fit the sketch on screen properly, just select fit all in from here. You can scroll mouse button up and down to adjust design tree, or press Ctrl key, then scroll mouse button to increase or decrease its size. You can see these square boxes all over the screen. These are called grids. We can active and unactive these grids from here. Select Align command. These grids are used to draw sketch accurately. You can see that the line is snapping toward these grids. This is because snap to point option is active. Just deactive snap to point. Now you can see that we can draw our line freely. If you ever cancel any toolbar by mistake, then just go to the toolbar, right click and active the different toolbars from here. Check profile toolbar. So here is our profile toolbar. So this was the basic intro of navigation in Catia.